Hi neighbors, my name is Jerri-ellen. Welcome to my channel. I'm just going to say something just for a few seconds here before we get into what I'm making. I want to say thank you so much to the new subscribers for deciding to click that subscribe button and be my neighbor. And I want to thank everybody that's returning viewers to my little channel here. I appreciate that you come back, and I appreciate all the support. A lot of you comment. You've been commenting for a long time in the comment section, and I love hearing from you all. So I hope that the new subscribers introduce yourself and say hello in the comments. Today we're making a treat. It is great for the holidays, and it's called moose farts. Now, Casey doesn't want me to call them moose farts, so you can call them moose toots if you want, and you can change the name to deer farts or deer toots for Christmas. It's very simple and quick, comes together very fast, okay? And I'm going to take you along with me to the hardware store if you don't mind tagging along. We'll look at, I got to pick up something for the bathroom shower. Well, it's not the kitchen shower, is it, Jerry? Anyway, something for the shower. Now, don't blink. It'll be over soon. It's that fast. That's 1/4 cup of melted butter. 1/4 cup is like 2 ounces or close to 60 milliliters, 59, 60 mils of melted butter there. Okay. I'm also going to use butter or hard margarine, because if you use just regular margarine and you don't use like a hard margarine or butter, your treat here is going to be kind of soft. You need it. You don't want it to be too soft. 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk. But neighbors, if you want to use a dos leches, that'll bring a nice flavor to it as well. It's 300 milliliters or 300 milliliters or 14 ounces if you're in the US there. Give it an old mixy mix. Got my little friends over there hanging out with me. I can't have an empty house. I have to have somebody in the kitchen with me. I want 1.5 cups of a medium coconut. I'm using unsweetened because there's a lot of sweetness in the sweetened condensed milk. And this is, I said medium, right? So medium unsweetened shredded coconut, 1.5 cups. 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. And we're going to need a bit more for later. And 1.5 cups of, I use a semi-sweet or a dark chocolate, so it's not too sweet. You can use mini chocolate chips if you prefer. Oh, a couple on the counter. That would be for me. You gotta moisten it. Moisten it, I tell you, moisten it. I used a full fat sweetened condensed milk. A lot of times in my recipes, when I use sweetened condensed milk, I use less fat. But I do find that it's a little thinner and runnier, and you need these to form into little farts. And you want to refrigerate these for an hour. I wouldn't go more than that, because then they might get too solid to be able to roll the little toots. Well, it's in the refrigerator for an hour. Let's head to the hardware store.
Waiting by the chimney. Ho, ho, ho.
Yes, I just want to redo like the caulking around uh, my shower. I just don't like the kind that the builder put in, so I'm finally just getting around to changing it. And neighbors, I could not leave the store without picking up a plant. I love plants, I love flowers, and I thought this is going to look so nice in the dining room. Uh, don't mind that tripod in the corner there. That's for one of my cameras. Anyway, let's get back in the kitchen and finish up these delicious no-bake cookies, these mousse toots, if you will. And yeah, let's get back at her. Thank you, neighbors, for coming with me. Weren't those Christmas decorations cute? I love that mousse. I need them. I need them in my life. Um, what you do next? You take them out. Damp, keep your hands damp. Wash your hands, of course. Keep them dampened so the stuff doesn't stick to you. Or you can put some coconut oil, cooking coconut oil on your hands when you're making these. What you're going to do is you're going to make balls and you're going to roll them in some graham cracker crumbs. What I like to do is some in graham cracker crumbs and some with graham crackers and the rest of the coconut shavings out of the bag. And you make a ball. You'll get 3 to 4 dozen, depending on how big you make these. And I usually get 4 dozen anyways out of these. And then you roll them up and you put them there. They freeze very well. And serving them, you can put like, for snow, you can put like coconut shavings at the bottom of your dish. And yeah, serve them up. I got more to roll, but there you go. Wonder what I have to start doing. I got to start putting on a cup of tea at the end and go and sit down with you and have a treat when I make a dessert or something. Have a seat. I used to do that a bit my earlier videos. I should get back to doing that. But anyway, let's have a tasty poo. They're delicious. I already know they are. You can make these with your grandkids, your little kiddos. Make sure their hands are washed. after it sets in the fridge, you mixed it all up, you got it set in the fridge, they can roll them and put them in the coconut shavings and graham cracker crumbs, decorate the tree, all that fun stuff. Anyway, cheers, neighbors. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. These taste really good with tea and really good with coffee. Because sweetened condensed milk and coffee, yeah, it's a must over the holidays. Treat yourself. Anyway, peace, love, God bless. Please come back again. Bye.